Every day in the United States, there are more than 940 reported fires. Hundreds of families, homes, and lives are affected in just 24 hours. That's nearly one fire every single minute. Hey, it's Safety Steve, manager of DSP Safety Services. Today I'm going to show you how to use a fire extinguisher correctly, a skill that can save lives and protect property. Fires can happen anywhere, anytime, at home, at work, even outdoors. The difference between a small incident and a major disaster often comes down to how quickly and effectively you respond. We will cover the basics and wrap up with a live demonstration so you can see exactly how it's done. So let's get started. Fire extinguisher types. Not all fires are the same. Fire extinguishers are designed for specific fire types. A Class A would leave an ash, like wood, paper, or cloth. Class B is for flammable liquids, such as gasoline or oil. And then Class C is any fire with an energized electrical equipment. Class D fires are pyrophoric metals, such as lithium and sodium. And then Class K would be cooking oils. Most workplace fire extinguishers are type ABC rated, and they work on any Class ABC fire. Always check the label before using one. How to use a fire extinguisher. To use a fire extinguisher, follow the pass technique. First, you pull the pin to unlock the nozzle. Then you aim at the base of the fire. You squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent, and then you sweep side to side, covering the fire's base until it's out. Use the entire bottle. Practice these steps in training to build confidence. Readiness and inspection. Before using a fire extinguisher, ensure you are safe and have a clear path to an exit. Only fight small, contained fires. If the fire is large, spreading, or you feel unsafe, evacuate immediately. Check the fire extinguisher's pressure gauge to ensure it is charged. Stay low to avoid smoke and heat. Never turn your back on a fire. In other words, have your back to an exit. You use the fire extinguisher. If it doesn't work, you get out. Live demo. Now let's put the pass technique into action right here in the office. Obviously, I can't start a real fire here. That would piss off HR and wouldn't look good for someone named Safety Steve to start a fire. So instead, I'll use our little training pan here and a little movie magic. Ha ha! There we go. A very hot Class B gasoline fire. Before fighting the fire, make sure it's safe. So over here, I have an exit. Now I'm going to fight the fire. So that's pretty simple. We're going to pass. P, pull the pin to release the fire extinguisher. Then I'm going to aim at the base of the flame. Squeeze the trigger to start releasing agent, and then sweep side to side while continuing to squeeze until either we run out of fire extinguisher or the fire itself goes out. If the fire goes out, we put it out in a safe and controlled way. How to maintain your fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers are only effective if maintained. Inspect extinguishers monthly for damage and low pressure. In fact, on the tag on your extinguisher, there is a spot exactly for monthly checks. Report any issues to your supervisor immediately. Know where fire extinguishers are located in your workplace as well as your house. In an emergency, follow your company's evacuation plan first. Fire extinguishers are a tool, but evacuation is the priority. Conclusion. Fire safety is everyone's responsibility. If necessary, call 911. Know your extinguisher types and master the pass technique. And always prioritize safety. If in doubt, get out. Thanks for watching. Stay alert, stay safe. Safety Steve out.